Some cars are like that one person you meet at a party. Gorgeous, charming, flawless on the outside. But the moment you get to know them, it's a total disaster. In this video, we're diving into 10 cars that turn heads in the parking lot, but break hearts on the highway. If you're a car lover who values more than just looks, this list might seriously shock you. Smash that like button and subscribe, or your dream car might just end up on this list one day. Let's get started. Car number 10, Jaguar X351. The XJ is pure British elegance, sleek curves, muscular stance, and that iconic mesh grille. You'd think you're getting a Bentley rival for a fraction of the price, but drive it for a year and you'll see the cracks, literally and mechanically. The air suspension is prone to failure, infotainment lags like it's from 2009, because it is, and electrical gremlins lurk behind every button. Engine, 5.0 liter, supercharged V8, 470 to 510 horsepower. Repair costs skyrocket fast, and reliability drops even faster. You'll feel like royalty until the repair bills start rolling in. Car number 9, Fisker Karma. You can't deny it. The Karma looks like something Batman would daily. Long, low, and sinister with solar panels on the roof. Come on, it had to be special. But under that sexy skin, a mess. Its hybrid drivetrain was clunky. Range anxiety was real, and the company went bankrupt faster than the car could hit 60. Engine, 2.0-liter turbo Ecotec plus dual electric motors, total approximately 403 horsepower. 6.3 seconds, but constant software bugs killed the vibe. Even getting replacement parts today feels like searching for Atlantis. Cool to see at Cars and Coffee, just don't park it in your garage. Car number 8, Subaru SVX. Designed by Jaguar, the SVX looked like a UFO in the 90s. Window inside a window design, aggressive coupe body. A future classic, right? Wrong. It was heavy, slow, and came only with a 4-speed automatic, which killed its sporty potential. Add in a fragile transmission and leaky seals, and suddenly your intergalactic dream car becomes an earthly burden. Engine, 3.3-liter, flat 6, 230 horsepower, weighed over 3,500 pounds, which made it sluggish despite the power. Car number 7, Pontiac Fiero. Mid-engine, compact, aggressive lines. On paper, the Fiero should have been a budget Ferrari. Instead, it caught fire, literally. Early models had engine bay issues that led to spontaneous combustion. Later years fixed that, but the reputation was torched, just like some cars. Engine, 2.5-liter i4, 92 horsepower, or 2.8-liter V6, 140 horsepower. Over 260 incidents of fire were reported in early models. It's still a cult classic, but driving one feels more like dodging fate than enjoying freedom. Car number 6, Hyundai Veloster, turbo funky design, 3 doors and turbocharged power. It had every reason to be a hot hatch legend. But the experience? Meh. The suspension is punishing, the cabin feels cheap, and turbo lag ruins the fun. Worse, the dual-clutch transmission in later models is infamously jerky and unreliable. Engine, 1.6-liter turbo Jaguar 4, 201 horsepower. Fast on paper, but real-world driving felt like playing roulette with the gearbox. You'll look cool pulling into the lot, but you'll regret it the second the road turns twisty. Car number 5, Lincoln Blackwood. This thing tried to be a luxury truck before luxury trucks were a thing. With plush leather and a fake wood-lined cargo bed, the Blackwood wanted to be both a Navigator and an F-150. It ended up being neither. It couldn't tow like a real truck and couldn't coddle like a proper luxury SUV. Just a confused, overpriced experiment that flopped hard. Engine, 5.4-liter Triton V8, 300 horsepower, sold fewer than 4,000 units, one of Ford's biggest luxury fails. Car number 4, Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. It's adorable, it's vintage, it's got curves like a 1950s pinup, but it's also all show, no go. It used a VW Beetle chassis and engine, meaning you got barely 40 horsepower wrapped in a sexy Italian design body. Safety? Minimal? Speed? Laughable? Daily driving? Please don't. Engine, 1.2 to 1.6 liter, flat 4, 36 to 60 horsepower max. It looked fast standing still and stayed that way. A great beach car, if the beach is only 5 minutes away. Car number 3, Cadillac Alante Pininfarina, designed Italian built and flown to the US in jumbo jets. Yes, really. It was supposed to rival Mercedes SL, but came with front-wheel drive, a bizarre digital dashboard, and underwhelming performance. Plus, the air freight production method added cost but no quality. Engine, 4.1 to 4.6 liter V8, 170 to 295 horsepower. One of the first cars with a digital dash, and one of the glitchiest too. It's a car that tried way too hard to be exotic, and failed at everything but being expensive. Car number 2, Toyota MR2 Spider. It's cute, it's light, it's mid-engine. You're thinking, why is this even here? Because the early MR2 Spider had an engine that devoured itself. The 1ZZFE engine suffered from oil burning and piston ring issues, with failures common under 100,000 miles. Add in cheap interior materials and a trunk that barely fits a pair of shoes, and you've got yourself a stylish trap. Engine, 1.8 liter i4, 138 horsepower, infamous for death by oil starvation. A small car with big heartbreak. Car number 1, Hummer H2. Massive presence, aggressive looks, unstoppable vibe. But under all that macho metal is a rebadged Tahoe with worse gas mileage. Single-digit MPG, clumsy handling, and build quality that didn't match the price tag. Oh, and don't even try to take it off-road seriously. Its size becomes a liability, not a strength. Engine, 6.0 liter V8, 316 horsepower, or 6.2 liter V8, 393 horsepower, MPG? As low as 9. The H2 may look like the king of the road, but driving one feels more like steering a barge than commanding a beast.